Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sarita. Today we will see how to make this earrings using embroidery cord. As you can see, it looks like kite. I have kept the name as kite earrings. So let's see what are the items required. We would need any two colors embroidery cord, aluminum wire, 2-inch 18 gauge 4 piece, 2 ear hooks, 24 gauge aluminum wire for wrapping, and jumprings of 2 size. So first take a 2-inch aluminum wire, make a loop on both the sides using the round nose plier. Give it a little bend or back side of the loop. So now we make a plus symbol and use the wrapping wire to make it stay in place and hold its shape. Just 2 or 3 wraps will do and cut off the excess wire. Press the edges. First I am taking the purple color cord, wrap it in the middle to cover the wire so that is not visible. So once you are done, cut off the excess wire, stick with glue, and now you can form the shape. So now make a knot and cut off the excess cord. We will add one more color. Friends, in case if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button if you like this earrings. I'm taking the other embroidery cord and do the same procedure. Continue the whole process till you reach the end. And there make a knot and cut off the cord. Now we make the tassel to attach to the loops. So I am making one purple and in the middle and the orange on both the sides. Use any cardboard like the one I have used, 2-inch one. So make 4 orange tassels and 2 purple tassels using jumprings. attached to the loops. So we will add the ear hooks. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching.